Let's talk about location in the terminal. How do you find out where you are? Well, we have a command called print working directory. So if you type PWD into the command line, press the return key, it's going to print out for you where you are. So in this case, I'm inside the YT directory, which is inside the home directory on the root of the file system. So that's print working directory. Let's move around a bit. Let's change into some directories I've got here. So directories are like folders on your graphical file system. So now when I do PWD, you can see I'm in a different place. I'm now inside directory 1, which is inside directory 0, which is inside the YT directory, which is inside the home directory on the root of the file system. So let's go back to where we were. So now we're back in the YT directory, which is inside the home directory on the root of the file system. So there are a couple of commands you can pass to PWD which change the output. So inside this home directory, I've got my nested directories that we went into before, just here. And I've got this shortcut. This is actually a symbolic link to another place on the file system. So in Windows, that would be like having a shortcut to your email program or to a web browser on your desktop. So it's just a link to another place, a shortcut. So I'm going to go into the shortcut and then I'm going to print working directory, and it's going to tell me that I'm inside the shortcut directory, which is inside the YT directory, which is inside the home directory on the root of the file system. But if I do PWD, then a space, a hyphen, and a capital P, so I'm passing the print working directory program an argument, and press the return key, it's going to tell me my physical location. So this is actually where I am, my direct physical location in the file system. So I'm actually inside directory 3, which is inside directory 2, which is inside directory 1, which is inside directory 0, inside the YT directory, inside the home directory on the root of the file system. But if I do PWD, it's showing me the logical location. But we know that this shortcut is actually a link to this directory. So that's print working directory to find out where you are in the terminal.